What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video. Today we're looking at a brand new Spaceview baby monitor. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can notify when next videos come with tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at 1130.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. This one is from Eufy. Again, with this Eufy security that we've just unboxed. This one is pretty cool. Baby monitor. It also has I believe it has a screen, HD as well. It also could do pan, tilt, and zoom, which is pretty good. It also comes with a bonus right there of a wide lens. Let's go ahead and check this out. Yeah, this one's pretty exciting. I've never seen any product like this before. Again, Eufy is always surprising us with all these products, right? And yeah, let's see how well it does. Start from there, camera right there, screen, wide lens, stand, accessory box right there. Let's open this guy up. These comes with a bunch of cables here, micro USB, and a longer one right there. Couple of plugs right there for the camera and the monitor. There you go. And a quick startup guide. Pretty good. Let's take the plastic off on that guy. Look at that. Looks pretty cute. Hopefully the baby won't really notice it. Right? There you go. And then the screen itself. Pretty good right there. Looks like a cell phone, right? Very nice. This is what the camera looks like up close. On the back, it has a micro USB port right there. There's also a sync button right there. Speakers on the side. Here you go. And a light indicator light right there. On the front, there is the camera right there. There you go, very nice. And this one, like I said earlier, can pan, tilt, and zoom. Here it comes with the screen as well, right there. Fully charge the monitor before the first use. Yeah, this one's rechargeable as well, very nice. So you can bring this anywhere with you. There you go. And then you'll be able to monitor your kid wherever you want. Very cool. On the top, there's a power button right there and a volume button on the side. This also comes up. I think this is an antenna for some reason. Like that. Cool. This also has a built-in stand right there. Very nice. There you go. Buttons in the front, like a keypad, menu. Bottom is a mic. Charging port is on the left side there. And that's it. Now, like I said earlier, it comes with 2 blocks. It even tells you what it's for. This is for the camera and this is for the monitor. There you go. Now this is pretty cool because it comes with a wide lens. There you go. It's a wide lens right there. And basically, apparently you could just like pop lenses. You'd have to screw it on there. But yeah, it's pretty cool how you can put lenses here. As long as the baby won't be able to reach that, then you'll have wide lens on your camera. It also comes with a wall mount. You can put it on a corner or the wall, doesn't matter. I believe you just clip this on the bottom here. There you go, like so. You bring your wires in through here, which is pretty cool. And then you just clip this on to the bottom of the camera. Cool. Couple of cables. One's long, obviously we'll use that for the camera. And a couple of screws for mounting it. That's it. Now let's go ahead and set up the baby monitor screen here. Basically, you do the exact same thing on the camera as well. You just hook it up with the micro USB. This on to the side like so. And then you just plug this in. There you go. Right here. Let's power it on. There we go. Let's go through the setup here. English. Time right now is 8:05. There we go. Now right away we see the camera right down there. Boom, it's facing the ceiling. There we go now. See if we can move this around. There you go. Pretty cool. You'll see me right there. Hi guys. Yeah, so basically you'll be able to pan, zoom, tilt, no problem at all. Usually you would wall mount this if you want. Go to sleep now. See that you'll be able to talk to the kid like a walkie-talkie. Stop, I see you. Stop walking around. There you go. You can also change the volume up here. There you go. If it's too close to the camera, of course it'll emit sounds. You can also change the brightness here. There's the voice activated exchange that you can turn on or off. You can also put sound alerts right there. Change the threshold, duration, and the alarm volume. You can also play lullabies for the kid. And then you could also loop it right there. Pretty good. Now we can go ahead and do a zoom in right here. 1 times 1.5 or 2x. Very nice. You can also add more cameras right here. You can have multiple cameras, so you can add cameras right there as well. Very cool. It's also the night vision mode. Right there. Let's turn off this light right here. Let's see if we can do the night vision mode here. There you go. I took off the wide lens as well, so you guys can see the normal lens there. It's also the time set right there. Change that. Sleep mode, anti-screen flicker. Change the language, temperature unit as well. Put it on Celsius because we're in Canada. And there you go. Pretty cool. Yeah, the night vision is automatic, as you can see there. Pretty cool actually. So as you can see there, right now it's pretty dark. Let's turn on the lights and it'll automatically switch from night mode. Very cool. And that's for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on your new baby monitor. This one is from Eufy, like I said earlier, and I would recommend this for people who wants a simple setup and wants multiple cameras in the room as well, in their baby room. You'll be able to use this really easy. It also has night mode and different modes, and also sound alerts when your baby is crying. It can even play lullaby for your babies, which is pretty cool. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you could see more videos like this. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!